Okay, we now take a start with IELTS speaking part 1 and I'll ask you some questions from part 1. Keep your answers short, to the point, according to the question. So, your topic is about stages of life and my first question is, do you enjoy your current stage of life?
Yes, I do, because now I have become a mature person and I am doing job as well. So this give me financial. Gives me financial independence, and this resulted me to become more confident person.
This has resulted in making me more confident.
Therefore, I like the age in which I am.
Okay, in which I am now. In what stage of your life were you the happiest?
From my point of view, when I was a child, I enjoyed my life a lot, because at that time I did not have any responsibility and
Responsibilities.
I did not have any responsibilities. Neither I had any worries except for my studies.
Okay.
So therefore I like to.
So therefore, that stage of my life was the happiest one. Was the happiest
Stage of my life.
Okay, very good. Which stage of your life do you think is the most important?
I think all stages of lives are equally important, because in every stage of life it gives experience and knowledge to peoples. So I think people should give equally importance to all stages.
Equal importance to all stages of life. Okay, basically the question was, do you think is most important, but that's fine. Okay, what's your plan for your next stage of life?
Recently I am doing IELTS exam, so my next goal is to move to Canada, because my family is also living there for the past 5 years.
Yeah, my family has already been living there, present perfect continuous.
Okay, yes.
Whenever you use past 5 years, for 5 years, so my family has already been living there for 5 years.
My family has
already been living there
for the last 5 years. So this is the main reason that I want to move to Canada in
Okay,
future.
so now you need to associate it with your next stage of life. So at the end you should say, in my next stage of life, this is my plan.
Yes.
Or this is my plan for the next stage of my life.
Yes.
If you don't say this, then your answer is irrelevant. Okay, so at the end you must link your answer with the question. Okay, that's good. Let's go on here. For you, I've got a nice topic, and the topic is about window view. Okay, and I'm going to ask you some questions. What scenery can you see from the window of your room?
Yes, I have to see my window view, very shiny day, and after that I am taking very fresh for very fresh air in come from the window in my room, and I really enjoyed it.
Okay, you just need to focus what you can see from the window. Right? You're not focusing what you see from the window, you're just telling what comes in from the window. So not about what comes in, what you see. For example, what scenery can you see from the window of your room? Well, from the window of my room I can see some trees, because the window opens to my beautiful garden, and there I can see some beautiful trees, and sometimes some birds perch on those trees and I can see them as well, something like that. Okay, now, do you like to watch the scenery from your window?
Yes, of course, I like the window view. The fresh air come from.
Don't talk about fresh air. It's not the question. The question is, do you like to watch the scenery? Only scenery. Say, I love to watch the scenery from my window because it's quite beautiful. When I look at the green trees, they are quite soothing to my eyes and all that. Now let me ask you again. Do you like to watch the scenery from your window?
Yes, I like the scenery of my window, it's really very beautiful outside there. It's very green, green trees and grass there, which can fresh me the whole day.
Okay. Do you want to live in a house with beautiful window views?
Yes, of course. I have a window from my at my home.
No. Do you want to live in a house with beautiful window views? Say,
Yes,
yes,
of
I
course.
love to live in a house with beautiful window views. And
Yes, of course. I love to stay at this house where I can see the beautiful views of the from window.
okay, how do you feel when you can't see any beautiful view from your window?
When I am not seen there, I am so sad. I feel so sad because no fresh feeling me fresh there, so that I don't feel freshly.
I don't feel good and all that. Okay, so you need to mainly focus your sentence structure, number one. Number two, you should focus the question. You must understand the question, that is important. And number three, you should focus your grammar. That's very, very important because grammatically your sentences are not correct, so you should focus that, right?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. All the best.